What is arthritis? A beginner's guide. You probably already know that arthritis is a pretty common condition, especially among people over the age of 50. What you might not know is what causes it, what types there are, and what you can do about it. That's the goal of this video. Today, we're going to provide you with a complete beginner's guide to arthritis. We'll not only break down the basics, but also tell you what you can do to manage the symptoms. What is arthritis? Arthritis is a condition that causes inflammation and damage in the joints, the places where two bones meet. In a healthy joint, the ends of the bones are covered by cartilage, a smooth, spongy material that cushions the bones and allows them to glide smoothly against each other. The joint is also lined with a membrane called the synovium, which produces a fluid to further reduce this friction. Meanwhile, muscles, tendons, and ligaments work together to stabilize it all. Over time, normal wear and tear, injuries, or certain health conditions can cause the joints to break down, leading to arthritis. As you might be able to guess, the joints most affected are the hands, knees, hips, feet, shoulders, and lower back. What are the types of arthritis? Arthritis affects millions of people, with more than 1/3 of Americans experiencing some form of it. But not all arthritis is created equal. The two most common types are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, each of which affects the joints differently. Osteoarthritis occurs when the cartilage on the ends of bones gradually wears away, causing the bones to rub directly against each other. This leads to pain, swelling, and stiffness, especially in weight-bearing joints like the knees, hips, and spine. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the joints. This also leads to inflammation, which can damage not only the cartilage but also the bone and surrounding tissues. Rheumatoid arthritis often affects smaller joints, like those in the hands and wrists, but can also impact other areas of the body. Unlike osteoarthritis, which tends to worsen gradually, rheumatoid arthritis can cause sudden flares of intense inflammation and pain. We have the information you need to stay healthy and happy as you age. Subscribe to our channel for lots of informative videos like this one: causes, symptoms, and relief. The exact cause of many types of arthritis is still not fully understood, but when it comes to osteoarthritis, the primary cause is age. As previously mentioned, our joints tend to wear down with time, making arthritis more likely. Other risk factors include excess weight, which adds stress to joints, previous joint injuries, and excessive weight. The same goes for participating in occupations or hobbies that involve repetitive motions, such as bending, lifting, or kneeling. It's important to understand that the symptoms of arthritis can vary depending on the type, but common signs include pain, swelling, stiffness, and tenderness in the joints. Pain may be constant or come and go, and swelling is often accompanied by warmth or redness in the area. Stiffness is typically worse in the morning or after periods of inactivity, making movement more challenging. Some people with arthritis also notice joint deformity as the disease progresses, which affects joint alignment and shape. So, how do you get some relief? Well, treatment for arthritis primarily focuses on managing pain, improving joint mobility, and slowing disease progression. For example, doctors will often recommend physical therapy to strengthen muscles around the joint, improve range of motion, and reduce pain. However, medications such as anti-inflammatory drugs and over-the-counter pain relievers can be effective in controlling the worst symptoms. You should also know that your doctor will probably recommend lifestyle changes, like maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding high-impact activities, and wearing supportive footwear. All of these can help slow down the disease's progression. Arthritis may be a common condition, but understanding its types, causes, and treatments can empower you to take control of your health. If you're experiencing symptoms or have been diagnosed with arthritis, work closely with your healthcare provider to create a plan that suits your needs. With the right approach, many people find ways to live actively and comfortably despite arthritis. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. We are constantly putting out fun videos on everything related to wellness. Please remember, this video is meant for educational purposes and is not medical advice.